If you're self-employed, drive for Uber, DoorDash, or work as a freelancer, taxes can get confusing fast. How much should you save? What can you deduct? And how do you avoid overpaying? That's where a 1099 tax calculator helps. Unlike regular employees, taxes are not automatically taken out of your income. That means independent contractors usually need to cover federal taxes, state taxes, and self-employment tax themselves. A 1099 tax calculator gives you a quick estimate based on your income and deductions, so you can plan ahead instead of getting surprised during tax season. One of the biggest deductions for many gig workers is mileage. Every business mile you drive can lower your taxable income, but most people forget to track their miles consistently, and missing mileage can mean missing valuable deductions. That's why many drivers use MileageWise. MileageWise helps you create an IRS-compliant mileage log automatically. You can track trips, import Google Maps timeline data, rebuild missing drives with AI, and generate tax-ready reports in minutes. Then you can use your mileage totals with a 1099 tax calculator to get a much more accurate tax estimate.